ये जो ट्रॉफी आप मेरे हाथ में इस वक्त देख रहे हैं ये है डिज़ाइन ऑफ द ईयर 2026 और ये मिला है टाटा सिएरा को। अब ये टाटा सिएरा का नाम जब भी आता है ज़ुबान पे दिल खुश हो जाता है क्योंकि पूरा देश जमकर प्यार करता है। और हमारे साथ आज एजे, और ये एजे जो है नाम बहुत प्यार से इनको लोग बुलाते हैं। अजय जैन सर हमारे साथ हैं इस वक्त। सर, सबसे पहला सवाल तो यही बनता है कि आज कैसा लग रहा है जिस गाड़ी को पूरी दुनिया प्यार दे रही है उस गाड़ी के लिए देश के नाम एक अवार्ड लेके जा रहे हैं आप?
मैं हिंदी में नहीं जवाब दूंगा, इंग्लिश में
प्लीज गो अहेड, प्लीज गो अहेड।
So in 1991, the Tata Sierra was the first car to be designed in India.
Okay.
And it is once again, the first car to be designed in India. And this is a real pride for the country, for the nation. I don't think I'm taking this award for Tata or myself or the design studio. I'm taking this for the country.
That's why I said कि जनता के लिए, दुनिया के लिए आपने जो अवार्ड टाटा सिएरा के लिए लिया है आज।
Absolutely.
So what exactly Tata Sierra means to you?
Tata Sierra means a great pride in our nation, in our nation's industry, in our nation building of design, and creating products that we as Indians are passionate about. It's not about the technical aspect, it's about the emotion of our country and the pride of our country and the pride that we as Tata Group, the nation builders, feel in creating and giving the country such a product.
After listening to you, I just say one thing. दुनिया और जनता और आम लोगों के बीच में एक बात तो तय है कि लोग गाड़ी को सिर्फ गाड़ी नहीं मशीन से प्यार भी करते हैं, मोहब्बत जिसे कहते हैं।
Absolutely.
आपको भी टाटा सिएरा से प्यार हो?
मेरे को टाटा सिएरा में 1991 में प्यार हुआ था। I was a student. I wanted to be a car designer. I saw this car driving down the road and I read the headlines. India designs its own car. India designs its own SUV. With the guidance of Mr. Ratan Tata. And I said, chalo, I can be a car designer because this country is ready for it.
Okay.
And 35 years later, I'm back here. And Mr. Ratan Tata himself blessed this car in his last review. Said, this is the car that is bringing India back to life. So it's so much of a proud moment.
Of course, मैं अगर इस मंच पे आपसे पूछूंगा if I ask you कि अगली गाड़ी कौन सी जो है एक्सक्लूसिव हमारे बीच आने वाली, तो आई डोंट नो कि आप जवाब देंगे कि नहीं उसका, और अगर मिल जाता तो कुछ अच्छा हो जाता। एनी होप्स हो कि नेक्स्ट कुछ क्या फेसलिफ्ट आ रहा है टाटा?
You tell me what car you want and I'll see how I can deliver it.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will just post it to you on your
No, tell me right now in front of everybody. आपको क्या चाहिए टाटा से?
सर, मैं वन ऑफ माई कलीग वाज सेइंग कि टाटा नैनो वापस कब आएगी?
ट्राई करेंगे।
टाटा नैनो वापस आएगी मार्केट?
I think the Nano is incredibly innovative car that put India on the map, and it would be a pleasure for me to sit here with you in a few years to put the Tata Nano on a map, maybe in an electric avatar, maybe in an avatar that the whole world can see.
And I hope you have seen that AI imaginary life of Tata Nano.
I look at all kinds of Tatas coming out of AI, but AI is only representing people's emotion. AI is not creating emotion out of itself. People are dreaming about a lot of things from Tata. That's why I'm not giving you one answer. I'm taking your one answer. You can give me multiple answers, but I think as a nation builder, it's us as the design leaders of this country, it is our responsibility to make India passionate about cars and about the future.
Sounds great. So हमने टाटा सिएरा की भी बात कर ली and expectations of facelift in future we have discussed for Tata Nano also. Let's get out of some technical questions to some auto therapy. And my first question is, what's your therapy drive, the route you take when you need to clear your head?
Every drive clears my head.
Sounds great.
Today I drive EV, a Sierra and a Punch EV, and even when I'm commuting to work through traffic, it clears me. I can really feel relaxed in the car. Maybe because I'm a car enthusiast, driving relaxes me. Even in difficult traffic situations, EVs relax me. So, but the best drive that I had was when the Tata Sierra EV was launched. I drove from Coimbatore to Kunur, where my father used to
So you
live.
already has taken the long trip with Tata Sierra.
Absolutely.
Okay, in some few words, just how can you say Tata Sierra is different from other cars?
I don't say it. The world says it, and the emotions of the Indian public say it. And awards like this say it. I don't need to say it. It's a project of passion from a lot of our team members, and we don't need to actually express that. The world expresses that.
Sounds great. So, okay, just ending up the interview. Before I end up, just I want to ask some 3 questions related to finish lines. The finish lines is मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगा, आपने आखिरी में उसे fill up करना है, right? The first question goes, the future of mobility is
Tata Motors.
I must say, the best drive is the one.
That every day,
Every day. Sounds good. If I could change one thing about Indian roads,
everything.
okay, the one future every car should have is.
4 wheels.
Sounds great. If I weren't in the automotive industry, I had probably be
Dead.
dead. One driving habit I wish everyone would stop is.
Stop honking.
Sounds great. It was nice catching with you. The fun
Thanks,
chit chat
man.
I
Thanks,
must
Ashish.
always remember to ask the guest with us. But सर मज़ा आ गया आपसे. I must say कि AJ आपसे मिलके मज़ा आ गया.
Thanks, Ashish.
जाने से पहले मैं एक ही बात कहता हूँ कि कुछ गाड़ियाँ ऐसी होती हैं जिनसे लोगों को मोहब्बत हो जाती है. टाटा सियरा उन्हीं में से एक थी. सर जाते जाते एक शायरी मैं टाटा सियरा के लिए बोलना चाहता हूँ कि कुछ ने देखा कुछ ने सुना तो कुछ ने समझा होगा. जान कि कुछ ने देखा कुछ ने सुना कुछ ने समझा होगा. ना जाने क्यों आज आपके सामने बैठकर मुझे ये समझना होगा कि टाटा इज़ द फ्यूचर.
We are going to make products that are going to be as exciting and passionate as Tata Sierra. What we say is every car is going to be an icon. That's our mission.
I must give the title as why Tata is important to people. Thank you so much for chit chatting with us.
Thanks,
Thank you so much.